Hi, welcome to lesson number 3 of Intermediate English. The topic of this lesson is forgetful moments. The good thing is that I'm also going to give you a very small assignment in the end, which I'm sure you'll enjoy doing. So let's start.
Mike and Jen are sitting on Jen's patio, talking. Mike, Jen, I think I'm getting older. Jen, what makes you say that? I keep forgetting where I park at the grocery store. Yesterday, I spent 20 minutes looking for my car. Mike feels frustrated because he forgets his parking spot, he loses his shopping list, he doesn't own a car. Jen, that's not so bad. Mike, and last week I thought someone stole my car, but it wasn't stolen. I parked it in a different location. Okay, yeah, that's bad. Jen gets up, grabs a container filled with jars, and sets it on the table and says, I made you something. Is it food? I'm kind of hungry. No, Mike. These jars will help you remember where things are. Jars? How? Each jar has a label for different things: car keys, house keys, spare keys, extra keys. You just put them in the right jar. Mike looks at the jars. This is a great idea. I'll never get lost again. Exactly. A few days later, Mike knocks on Jen's door. Jen, I need your help. What happened? I locked myself out of my house. Oh, did you check the jar with the spare cake, key, dog? I forgot which jar is for spares. I think we need to label the jars again. Hey, at least I remember where I parked my car. What do you think of Jen's solution? Tell me in 10 to 50 words in comments.
That was it from the lesson number 3 of the Intermediate English. Let me see your comments now. Thank you very much.